All right, this is the final for David Lacasse for Advanced Business Statistics. Can't log into Blackboard right now because my password expired Friday and I reset it. I can get into my email, but not Blackboard, and there's no IT support over the weekend. So this is going to be in an email because that's the dumbest day to have a password expire, the Friday before finals. Dumb. Anyways, here is my final. I can't remember. I think you wanted a video description presentation kind of the whole thing. I don't know because I can't log in. So on this one was pretty easy. Really, you just took the data and made charts for them. They're all titled. This is shared with you as well, so you can see anything. That one was really easy. And exam code, yeah, see, and then where's that one? Yeah, this. So in that one, you have to get into the settings and do the trend line and then show R squared. So that's where I got that answer from. Um, there's that. And yeah, after filtering for 35%, I think is that still in there? I think I just calculated that one. I don't think it needed yeah, that one, because that was like just one. The dice game, let's see. So this one, I kind of went back and revisited it. Thanks for the help with this. I kind of tried to base it off these originally, but the problem was the middle one, getting two dice. My if and wasn't doing it. Was if and all three of them equaled 12. So I had to make three separate ones saying if any combination of these equals 12, display like this, display a 2. So that one had, you can see right there, yeah, those both B and C rolled a 6, so it'll display a 2. And then so on, and then the 3 dice was easy because that would be 18. There's no other way to get that. So, and then, yeah, I think at the way, no, because I didn't go to the bottom because there's 1,000 lines. This one displays the results. I did the count if, a single, so it'll look for the integer one, which is the result of the one die, and it will display singles out of 1,000. So you can get a stat and you can divide it by, you can go 100, and that'll give you a percentage. Uh, this one is looking for the integer 2 in any of these F through H rows. If it sees 2, it's going to display that. Well, it's going to display that either way, but it's going to display the count of 2s. And this one's the count of 3s, which obviously there's not a lot. This is not a lot of chances of that happening. So there's my dice game for results. And that's how I got it. Regression model. Man, this one, I mean, it's not bad. Everything was there already. You did it, which was good because I don't have this in Google Sheets, that pack or whatever, the data pack thing. So I used these values here, the coefficients, in the formula to calculate the answers for your questions. Let me show you. So here's the formula with that data sets. I think this was what I put them in order: household, urban, unemployment, bachelor's degree, and those are the coefficients. The x's are the variables here. So these would be the variables. That would be like 0.0004 x1 times 7,000, as you can see right here. So there's x1, x2, x3, x4, and that equals that, 64.58. And then, yeah, you just kind of plug in those variables for the coefficients, and you get the percentage right there. This didn't copy paste over very well with the script, and I'm pretty sure that was important to you. So I have this here still, just my original um, assignment I turned in, but I modified it because that assignment I turned in was completely wrong, and I knew that. I just don't know why the script you gave me didn't work, so I kind of had to change it a little bit, and then it was reading it was reading rows that weren't even mentioned in the script. So I had to delete one here. These I kind of just changed. I changed this to a percentage or a decimal number, thinking, oh, that because these used to display like 15, 30. I was like, oh, maybe it's like thinking it's like 15 a factor of multiplying the whole by 15. So I'm like, well, that's not right. It should be percentage decimal. So I changed those all to random decimal. Still didn't really do anything. I don't know why these results are so exponential in this. So I added two more zeros. Instead of divided by 100, I divided by 10,000, and it's not right. There's something that I don't know if that loop goes through too many times. It's a normal for loop in Python. I don't know. So, anyways, I kind of just skewed the formulas to reflect the a better display of data that's more realistic. I know it's not a simulation of what you would get with inputs like this. So here it is, 12. Let's do 12 in this one. Let's do 2 in this one and see what happens. I don't know why it's so exponential. So hit the go button. It's going to do its thing. Yeah, see, it's insane. I mean, it's year 4 and this dude's at $3 million from, oh no, that's millions. That's true. Yep, that's not right. That's insane. So I don't, oh, oh, they went back up to my original. I don't know why oh, because it's maybe the script is doing that as a reference for the first reference. Real quick, let's do this just for the sake of getting some more realistic numbers. I'm gonna delete that because maybe that's this. Oh, you know what? Let me just. Oop. All right. Still not great. And it defaults back to 100 if you hit run. It's something with the script. It's just that is what it is. I can't. I don't know. I wonder if I divided 100 over here. It's something with the script though. So let me try one more time, I guess. And it just goes back. It's this, yeah, I don't know. I think I'm not a Python expert, so obviously something with that script and that loop is referencing something that's insanely exponential, which I referenced the right things. I think that and percentages. So, but that's kind of what it is. In a normal simulation, it should obviously should not be this much. Should be that 1.2 should be around year 30. If these guys are, around here somewhere. Maybe if the guy's really good, around 15. But yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why that script isn't working. The one you gave me didn't work. The copy paste function didn't work. So I kind of modified it. Again, not a Python expert. So that's what it is. This is what it is. So And I think that is it. Yeah. 12,000 initial, 2,000 annual, probability of reaching 1.2. I mean, the way this is going, probably around year 40 for this guy unless he hit some really good investments. So, but that's a hit or miss. You can lose on investments too. So that's the whole point of this. But mine is not displaying correctly. So this is what it is. Sorry. But there you go. All right.